Hi guys, it's Triple C. Today we're gonna look at a keyboard. This is a brand new keyboard I just bought. I got one because I needed something for work. And so, yeah, this will be an unboxing, an impression, and a little bit of that kind of video. So let's get to it. This is a KB Paradise, or also known as Keyboard Paradise, KBP80 mechanical keyboard. This is actually a really nice box. It reminds me of a nice box of chocolate, or a case of beer, or something along that line. It's pretty cool. All right, so KBP TKL mechanical keyboard. All right, the label's over on this side. So it has a Cherry MX Brown switch on it, and then the keycaps are PBT double shots. This means the letters and stuff that will not wear off. And the color of the keycap is Olive Neo. Olive Neo, what does that mean? So let's open it so you can see that for yourself. It's actually a pretty nice experience opening it. All right. Right off the bat, it's a keyboard layout manual, sort of. KB Paradise VX80. This is actually an 87 key keyboard, which with the arrow key basically. Yeah, here's some hotkey functions with the function keys and what do those things do. It's a nice little card to have if you like to know how it works when it comes to function keys. And specifications, it's an 87 key keyboard. And that's the weight. This is the dimension. And then it uses the PBT keycaps, and ABS is the optional. Actually, this keyboard, it has all kinds of configurations. And this one here, as you see from the box earlier, it's a Cherry MX variant. So the keyboard itself, let's save that for later. See what else is in there first. And let's take this out. I'm just gonna take it and put the box someplace else. There we go. Okay, so inside of the box, it comes with a nice little tool for you to pull the keycaps if you like to switch them, and a pink space bar. Oh, that's nice. And here's the USB cable for you to connect it to the computer. And yeah, it's not a Bluetooth keyboard, it's a wire keyboard, which is, okay, maybe later. And yeah, it uses a USB Type-C, which is good. And the other end is USB. Great. All right, now the keyboard is out. Ta-da! This is Olive Neo color, according to them. Pretty retro looking. It's nice. And Cherry MX Brown. It sounds pretty quiet. It doesn't have that much of the clicky sound, which is what I need since I'm going to use it at work. I wouldn't want the clicky sounds to bother my coworkers, like the Befriend keyboard here. In comparison, these are very loud with the clicky sounds. So this is going to be very nice. It feels really good typing on it. Yeah, I really like the way it looks. It saves a bit of space from the ZP keyboard I had, and that keyboard is aging. Sometimes the USB port doesn't connect right. Maybe it's a cable, maybe it's the connectors. I don't know. So yeah, it's about time to get a proper one, since kind of needed one in order to type comfortably. I like this color scheme. It looks really nice on the desk. yeah, so that's that. This is the keyboard paradise or KB Paradise VX80 or the V80. Basically, it's the same thing with different variants. Mechanical keyboard.